Welcome to the Inventor's Hub. I'm Ria and I'm an inventor. An inventor is a person who invents and writes stories. So, on my channel, I'll show you how to invent nice things and write beautiful stories. So today we're going to make a paperclip heart bookmark. It's going to be very easy. Let me show you one of my pre-made ones. As you can see on my camera, here is one. It looks like a pretzel, but once I will put it on paper, it will look much better. So I have one already attached to the paper. I want to remember. So here is one heart already attached to my paper, which is looking really nice. I'm going to close my book. And now, when I open it again, I'm on the same page. So, the materials you're going to need for this invention is just a small paper clip. I would recommend using a red one as I like red ones and they are perfect for and hard. So I'm just going to show you as close as this can get. So see, this part which I'm trying to twist here is a movable part. Try to move it inwards on this side. Also push it from the other hand. Otherwise your heart will not have a good shape. Now look, it looks nice. Just pull from the bottom part a bit to make it look more like a heart. And our paper clip heart bookmark is already ready. So we're going to test it out with our other ones. So here is the page where I have put one of mine already. So now I'm going to put the second one just right beside it and show you. Shapes might get different as you move on and make others. Now, as you can see, two hearts are lying on the same page. I hope you like my video. Share feedback in the comment section below. Comment, like, share, subscribe. I'm sorry, I said comment twice. So, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell for more videos. Bye for now.